or what's the difference seeding in spring and fall? It's absolutely no different, other than fall of the year, you're going into winter and your seed has time to mature, grow, become a big boy before it hits the summer heat. Whereas now in the springtime, you don't have that luxury because you're going into the summertime and it's going into the heat. So, you know, it depends on how well they're going to water this, get it up and going. Depends on the weather we get in the summertime. If it stays mild, if it turns off blistering hot and dry, you know, it's all about the water at that point and the weather. Oh, this might be a problem. Look right here. Oh, please come up. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh man. Look at this. What in the world? No way, dude. So why is it important to get this up? Well, because the grass seed won't grow up through this. Well, the grass seed will come up because there's... Hang on, let me put the phone down. Not the phone, the camera. Ah, okay. So yeah, the seed will germinate on top of that because there was soil, dirt, what I call it, on top of that. But the root system will not grow through that, so that's got to go. Of course, I'll throw that in the truck, take that home with me. Do you seed any different right now in the springtime than you would in the fall? The answer is no, you don't. The process is the exact same way. You plant the seed in the ground, good seed to soil contact, start off with a clean, prepped area, like this right here, all these little sticks and stuff. I'll pick all this stuff up and get it out of the way, because you don't want that on the ground and then plant your seed, and then you have to pick it up after you plant, the seed comes up. That makes sense. No pre-emergent has been applied here. So what if I had to seed something right there and I had a pre-emergent applied already? Well, I'd break the barrier. That's what pre-emergent does. Puts a little vapor barrier, a chemical barrier on the ground, and you break that barrier, then you can put a grass seed down there and it should be fine. Been doing it 20 years like that and it hadn't failed me yet. I can see where they've got that built up, where they're going to put bed right here, natural area, and continue that. So the seed line will just kind of go right through there and follow that. grading it and run over with the aerovator as well, so it's good to go. No coverage on this. I don't put straw down for contamination reasons. We keep the seed moist with the irrigation system and water it. That's how we hold moisture, and we'll give the customer instructions on how to do that, and should be good to go. I did offer hydro seeding here, but they didn't want to pay for it, so it is what it is. So can you seed in the springtime just like you do in the fall? Well, there you go, you can. Check you later.